Hey boys and girls, this is Mr. Giomini. I gave you back your Unit 4 pretest today so you can begin to analyze the mistakes you made, take a look, see what we've learned and how you can apply those to the mistakes you may have made on your pretest. So if I take a look today at some of the problems that we may have missed on the test. So looking at the first question, this is actually the first question on the assessment. It says, what percent does the shaded region model? So looking at that, I ask myself, looking at here, well, this here looks like it's one whole shape. So let's see here. I have, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is a 10 by 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So I have 100% of this shaded in. So if I know that, I know I could automatically eliminate A, because that's 1 and 25/100%, and I can eliminate B because that's 75%. Now I'm down to C and D. Now if I take a look here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. This is also a 10 by 10, which is 100. Now I have 25 shaded in here. I have 25 out of 100 shaded here. So I have the full 100 here plus the 25 out of 100. Well, if you know percents, 25 out of 100 is 25%. So with this 100% plus this 25%, I have 125% filled in. My correct answer is D. Okay, if I take a look at another question. A little short answer, extended response. Mr. Giomini wanted to convert 3 4/5 to an improper fraction, so I'm converting 3 4/5 to an improper fraction. So he was able to multiply fractions. His final answer was 12/5. Decide. I have to make a decision here. Decide if Mr. Giomini's solution is correct or incorrect and show work to support your answer. So I'm looking to decide if it's correct or incorrect. I need to show work. Okay, well the first thing I do is I'm actually go here because I don't really know if he's right or not until I do the work. So I take 3 4/5. Now keeping in mind that I said the answer was 12/5. Now remember what we do is when we convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, we multiply denominator times whole number, we wrap that around in a C and add that numerator. 5 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16, so that is 16/5. Mr. Giomini said 12/5. He is incorrect. I need to go over here to explain. Mr. Gio, and I'll short it, was incorrect. He has the correct denominator but when I did the calculations my answer was 16/5. He must have multiplied the whole number times the numerator. Period. I want to be thorough with this. I want to not only tell them the mistake. I want to see if I can analyze and figure out where he made his mistake. And I'm seeing here that I just must multiply 3 times 4, came up with 12, and threw that on top of the denominator. So I want to really show that I understand how to convert mixed numbers and proper fractions, but also be able to identify and explain where people are making mistakes. This shows a much more thorough understanding of the information. All right, next one. Which expression is equivalent to 8/9? So I have 8/9. So if I have 8/9, I also have 8 out of 9. Doesn't that, if I have 8/9, I think this right here also tells me to divide. So I also have 8 divided by 9. Let's see, none of these, 8 divided by 1/9. I'm not taking 1/9 of 8. Or I'm not, so that's not right. Okay. Well, it's 8 out of 9, not 9 out of 8, so that's incorrect. Well, this one here says 8 divided by, oh, there you go, 8 divided by 9. That is the expression that is equivalent or equal to 8/9. Hope this helps you with some of your test prep. Look for some other future models later on in the week. Take care. Bye.